14-213, State versus Mark Bland. String of charges, delivery of marijuana near certain facilities, hydrocodone, drug-related charges, it appears. Good morning, sir. Have you got a lawyer? I think I appointed a public defender to represent him, yeah.
Here we waive reading of the information or pleaded not guilty.
Okay. Okay, I'll enter the plea of not guilty. We'll issue a scheduling order. Stay in contact with your attorney, sir.
Okay.
State versus James Snur, 14-211. Charges arson. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have appointed a public defender to represent him also.
Yes, Your Honor, we waive reading of the information or pleaded not guilty.
Case is before another judge, Judge Webb, reappear on September 25th at 10 o'clock before him.
I think that's ours, Your Honor. Is it 211?
Oh, is it? Okay, I'm sorry. That's wrong then. Well, we'll just issue a scheduling order. How about that? Stay in contact with your lawyer. 14-210, State versus Jennifer Rivera, hot checks.
Your Honor, I think where the confusion lies, she had some district court cases. She'll make an application later today.
Okay, why don't you just give her one, she can sit down and fill it out, and I'll recall your case, ma'am. 1461, State versus Gary Van Natter, possession of methamphetamine, marijuana.
He has another one, too.
1449, it's like a drug case involving methamphetamine.
It is, Your Honor. State's made a plea offer. I need just a little bit more time to, if we could set that at September 18th, we should
Okay,
have an announcement whether we intend to accept the plea or not. Thank you, Your Honor. May he be excused.
yes, that's on both cases, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very well. 14-85, State versus James McDaniel.
Your Honor, Mr. McDaniel appears here today. The court entered an order back in mid-July ordering a forensic evaluation. We received notification yesterday that evaluation is set for next Wednesday, September 10th. The court will continue us till, certainly on our nickel, to probably November. Hopefully we'll have the eval back up.
He should reappear on November 13th at 10 o'clock.
Very well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. 13-183, State versus Brandon Watkins, battery.
Your Honor, I hear from Mr. Copeland this morning on this matter. This matter was set for reappearance to accept or reject the plea. We're at this time rejecting that plea. I believe it's set for trial shortly, Your Honor.
Okay. We'll leave it as scheduled. State versus Adam Ward, failure to register. That's 13-192.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes.
They're here at this time for a change of plea. Basically, the plea stand up him to the court.
Mr. Ward, I'm looking at a police statement here. Have you gone over this document?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you understand the matters set out in this police statement?
Yes, sir.
You understand the charge against you and the range of penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to failure to register?
Yes, sir.
By doing so, you give up your right to have a trial, and you also give up your right to an appeal. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than what's set out in this plea statement, have you been promised anything other than this?
No, sir.
Have you been threatened or pressured in any way in order to get you to change your plea?
No, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct, sir, that you were earlier convicted of a crime which required you to register with the Sheriff's Department and you have failed to do that?
Yes, sir.
This time, sir, I'll accept your plea. I'm going to judge you guilty. I'll sentence you to 1 year in the Arkansas Department of Corrections followed by a 2-year suspended imposition of sentence. You'll get credit for jail time of 145 days. You'll pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee, a vendor registration fee of $250. Pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after you're released from incarceration. be remanded to custody of the Sheriff's Department.